first DIY is great for the musician in your life. I know you have at least one. Yeah. And guitars, sometimes, you know, you can't necessarily use them as an instrument anymore, but when they're at the end of the road, you can refurbish it as a shelf.
This is really cool. She's got one back here. It's awesome.
So what I've already done is I've taken the top out. You don't need power tools for this. I used a handsaw and I sanded it down.
Cool.
So that's a great bonus too, to be self-sufficient.
Right.
So now I've put in one shelf and I'm gonna put in the other. So I'm gonna use a bit of glue. For the shelf itself, we're using balsa wood because it's really pliable and you can just get it at the craft store.
And you can get it right down at the craft store, yeah.
And we're going to put in a coat of spray paint. You know, renters mostly have white walls, so you can go with a white color or you can do a pop of metallic or something like that. So you're gonna wanna stay about 5 to 8 inches away. Do light coats.
And then this is how it comes out.
Yes.
Here, you decorate.